Hey guys, Alan here with Sonic Electronics, and today we have an all-new product by Belva. This is their BSAP212. This is their dual 12-inch amplified loaded enclosure. It does feature some cool features that we're going to go over today. As you can see, two 12-inch polypropylene cone subwoofers, high roll surround. This is an amplified loaded enclosure. It is ported as well and tuned. I'll go ahead and share that with you. On this side, you'll see the nice round flared port. At the top of the box, you'll see the stitched Belva logo in the carpet, which gives the box a nice look. It is a hatchback style box, so because of the profile, it does fit up right up against the back seat pretty well, so it doesn't take up a ton of room. It's just really the width here. And then on the other side, you've got your brushed aluminum panel for the amplifier. This is an 840 watt max dual 12 enclosure, and it does support both high level and low level. It does include the high level plug with the kit as well. So for those that don't know, like if you're looking to connect a subwoofer like this to the factory car stereo, you would use the high level input section of the built-in amplifier here, which is included with it. It also does support the remote bass knob and cable, so that way you can have freedom to control your bass in any way you want to remotely from the front of your car or wherever you mount the actual bass knob itself. And of course, if you have an aftermarket car stereo, then you would just use the low level input. So pretty straightforward. The one thing that you'll notice here is it's just pretty much, of course, signal input depending on the application, power and ground, and you'll notice that there's just a gain. There's no other controls for low pass, frequency, subsonic, there's no other filters. So that's what really caught my eye. If you're really getting into car audio, this is a great solution because it doesn't require a lot of thought. It's already pre-tuned, it's already predefined. This enclosure is designed specifically for the subwoofers. This amplifier is matched up already. There's sometimes a lot of confusion in car audio as to what subwoofer I should choose, what amplifier will work great with it, what enclosure, is it tuned to the right frequency, is it the right size box, right? So it can be really confusing. So this is a really great solution for somebody that's just getting into car audio or doesn't want anything really complicated and doesn't want to give a whole lot of thought to it. All you're really going to need with this kit is just basically an amplifier wiring kit and install it, and you're good to go. So it's definitely a nice complete kit. So for more information on the Belva loaded enclosure, please visit sonicelectronics.com. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'm Alan with Sonic. We'll see you next time.